Hello, my name is Ryan and welcome to Maxim's Installation Spotlight. Today we are going to highlight key installation notes for the Chantilly collection. Let's get started. It's important when removing the Chantilly from the box that you grab it from the collar loop, not the chains. Grabbing it here could cause the chains to break. Now we're going to install the mounting bracket to the junction box. Now this fixture has a cool feature as after you install the mounting bracket, you can actually attach the chain and wire the fixture as it's being pumped. Now we can start to hang the fixture. Guide the wire through the center of the collar loop. Now you can attach the top of the chain using the carabiner onto the collar loop to the mounting bracket and then wire it. Connect the green striped wire to your ground wire. The black striped wire is your live and your white striped wire is your neutral. And now you can tuck any excess wire inside the canopy. And secure it tight with the collar ring. After the fixture is hung, it is crucial that you do not cut this clamp at the bottom of the fixture, as it holds your decorative chains in place. Next, you can remove the plastic bags and twist ties that group the chains together.